Good morning. Good morning to all. My name is Juan Carlos Tovar. Today I would like to talk about my lesson plan and I'm going to explain to you how the structure of this lesson. So, over here, as you see on my screen, it's a script that have all I'm going to tell you or talk to you about my lesson plan. In the first part, I'm going to read the adjectives of the lesson plan. I would like to teach not the, for example, an English teacher. And when I teach grammar, I don't like to go to the point at once. I don't like to say, oh, today we are going to learn about present tense. No, I don't like that. I like, for example, to show this structure in the video or in a test or in a game, in a gamification platform, something like that. Yes, because for the teenagers today, it's a little boring to see or to take a lesson of grammar in a rude way, I think. So I'd like to teach social science through some issues that we have in our daily lives. In this case, the environmental issues that we have every single day that we face in our streets, like air pollution, water pollution, and something like that. And in this case, we are going to see e-waste, as electronic e-waste. When we throw out some cell phones and batteries and so forth. Well, the objectives of this lesson is to be able to discuss and describe such environmental problems and to gain a cultural awareness of important is care our world by reading and understanding articles websites. The introduction, as I told you, for human beings to have a good quality of life, yes, is not only necessary to have good knowledge or have a good quality of life like rich people. No, also it's necessary to care our planet, to create, to care our natural resources. For example, the rivers that we go, that we take a shower. We seen there many people, many companies around the world in this country doesn't care about what happens with the rivers. As maybe the mining companies that they use a lot of water to produce their ores. Um, this water get contaminated, and this water go to another part of our country and provide some feed to other peoples. So I think this is dangerous to doesn't care about the other, and I think to be a little to be really a human being, reasonable people, you have to also care about the natural environment that you have. If you have the possibility to care, do it. Don't hesitate to do it. Well, the lesson description, um, as you see in my screen, there are three moments. The warming up, develop activities that is divided in two parts, moment one and moment two, and the assessment. Yeah? And the warming up, as you know, this is the first class, so we break the ice and make some questions about themselves. Yes, in the develop activities, the moment one, the students learn about what is e-waste, yeah, and they are going to read an article about it. In the first part, they are going to also work grammar on some English topics. As well, they are learning social science. In the moment two, the students prepare writing, answer the questions. The question is according to that according to what has been previously studied, what is your opinion on e-waste, and how are you going to help to reduce for now on? And next, the assessment, when the students are going to think about what they learned, and they are going to give their opinions about the topic. We are going to make a debate, and this debate consists in express the point of view of each one. As a conclusions, I want to read you this little part. As everyone knows, technology advance every day more. And it's very interesting that it's becoming easier to communicate and get information, but we are not seeing something that is happening behind all the advances. We are destroying the environment with all the natural resources. And closing, and the closing I like a model into the students, where the students are invited to reflect on the indirect homicides committed by many companies. When it refers to this heavy word or root word, to kill people, is not just to kill people. Kill natural resources, kill like fish and animals, as plants, and so forth. Many companies commit this kind of assassinations every single day, and they are going to reflect about it. This is like a model. And this is all about my video. Thank you so much for your time. We see you later.